Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today we'll be going over how to change your printer accessibility language inside LabelForge Pro. You'll go over to the LabelForge Pro homepage, go to the top left-hand corner where you see the three dots, click on that, click on Settings. You'll go down to Language. We'll be choosing Spanish today, but you'll see that there's 13 other languages other than English to choose from for your language accessibility. As you choose Spanish, you'll see that you have to restart the entire program for the change to take full effect officially, so we'll close out of the box and reboot LabelForge Pro. As LabelForge Pro is now booted back up, you'll see on the left-hand side that you have the Home button, Label Designer, Pre-Made Sign Template section, Modules, Resources, and your Customer Support Help, all translated into Spanish. We'll go over to the Label Designer to see that all the functions on the right hand side are also translated into Spanish, along with your info box where you're going to create new labels. But we'll cancel out of that as you have now changed over your printer accessibility language inside LabelForge Pro. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.